our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can redeem your voucher code in Lazada. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser and type in the URL www.lazada.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Lazada. Now simply scroll down below and tap on any item you want to purchase. So once you have tapped on that item, you need to now simply tap on add to cart. After doing this, you can simply add another options as well. However, if you just want to buy that particular option, simply tap on buy now. After doing this, you need to now log in into your account. And once you have logged in into your account, you will be redirected to the checkout page. So in the checkout page, you can find an option called enter your voucher. So simply type in your voucher code number in that particular box. And once you do this, you will be successful in redeeming your voucher code. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.